everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of September reading start from the 1st to the 7th of September 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Gemini. So let's see what is coming up for Geminis for this week time. I will be adding oracle card. In fact, I will be adding 3 different oracle cards, so stay tuned, but no charms will be included. So let's see what is coming up for Geminis for this week time. While I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For a personal reading, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So Geminis, you're starting off the week with King of Pentacles. Let's see more cards. 6 of Cups, 10 of Swords, 5 of Cups. I do see you having some issues when it comes to your finances. Underneath the deck, you do have 5 of Pentacles. I'm picking up 2 different energies here. Let me put both out there. It's like I said, for some of you, maybe you are going to have some financial issues. For others of you, in fact, for majority of you, I feel like, it is like, your person who is so busy with their work, finances, and situations like this, which is going to make you feel bad, which is going to make you feel like, tired of them because they are not giving you time. You are feeling left alone. They are not putting in their the effort that needs to be put in a relationship to go smoothly. They are disappointing you and you're feeling like giving up on this connection. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, they are either busy or they are just not understanding that they have to give you time as well. And I feel like, you are going to feel bad. It's not that they are dealing with someone else in their life. It's just that you are feeling bad for not getting the time from this person. You are missing them. You are, craving for the time from them, but they are unable to give you time because of their work, which is going to disappoint you a lot. But for others of you, I feel like, your person is going to have some issues when it comes to their finances, which is going to make them detach themselves from you. You are going to feel like, maybe they are not interested in you any longer. Maybe they don't want you. Maybe they want to end the relationship with you. Maybe they don't love you. They don't miss you. They don't think that you are soulmate. They don't, they have forgotten the good times that you had with them. But in actuality, they are dealing with some shit at their work front, which is why they are unable to give you what you desire. They do love you, they do have feelings for you, but right now they are too caught up with that, one thing that is going on in their work front, and they really need to stay focused on that one thing, which you should understand, which I don't see you understanding. That's why you are going to have not so good week this time. The first week of September is going to be slightly tough for you when it comes to be that you who is having some financial issues or dealing with some shit at work front, or be that the person that you are dealing with. Either way, it's not gonna bring you any sort of happiness this week time, because I feel like, you will be struggling to stay happy. You will be struggling to have the time with the person that you love. It's going to be that kind of a week where you will be like, trying to understand. And I do see you fail understanding that one thing, that your person is not having an affair with someone else. It's just that they are busy with something at their work front. The energies could be reversed for some of you. Maybe your person is going to fail to understand you and your situation, and which is going to disappoint you, because you are not in that mind zone where you could give them what they want from you. So maybe they are going to pick a fight with you. They are going to tell you, okay, fine, you are not understanding me, and maybe you are going to feel left alone by them. But yes, there is disappointment coming from both ends. You complaining about the situation is disappointing them not giving you the time is disappointing you. So it's like a disappointing kind of a week for you. So try to stay I would suggest you, no matter what situation is for you and what is for your person, but in this connection, I feel like you both need to have the trust and faith intact, Plus, you should always keep your person, in the picture. Why? Because if they don't know what's going on, why you are doing certain, things certain way, why you are not giving them time, they are definitely going to have doubts and fears. So if you let them know what is going on, how long is it going to take you from, getting yourself free from this, extra workload or whatever it is that is keeping you busy, they will understand. They will not, like, complain for you not giving them time. But I feel like, somebody is not sharing what is going on. That's why the other person is like having the negative thoughts around this connection. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. It's suggested not to give up on this connection. Don't pick a fight. Try to understand each other, and it is going to be worth waiting for. Like, the wait you're gonna have for your person to get done with it, or them waiting for you to get done with your work. It's gonna be worth the time. So just believe that I don't see any other person in their life, or I don't see any other person in your life. But yes, there is something that is definitely not working well for you, which is keeping you busy. You are trying, or your person is trying to figure things out in that particular realm. So just try to be understanding towards each other, be supportive, I would say. So let's see one more oracle card. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for the first week time. I am the dreamer of my dream. I would suggest you to do one thing here. If you are the one who is suffering because your person is busy, I would suggest you to imagine them equally missing you like crazy and dying to be with you. That's going to help you a lot to stay positive. Plus, it's going to become the reality as well. Whether it is or not, but it will become the reality if you do this one thing. Let's see one more oracle card. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Love endures. Number 43. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. That's exactly what you need to do or say to yourself if you are having that down moment in this particular connection. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.